You don't want to give out that many Robux for L-Pose because you want to buy the new legendary pet in Adopt Me. I have the perfect solution for you. Write in the comments that you want L-Pose, and I will kill you personally for free.